Coming up, a crane building a playground. A real excavator truck. A hedge trimmer. A tractor. A concrete truck. And a chainsaw. Cutting down a tree. A kid dressed as BLiPPi gets to try the excavator truck. Wow! And a giant strawberry. Come on, let's go play. This episode of Min Min Playtime is all about machines. Machines that can help people. This is a concrete truck making cement. This is a crane. A crane on a truck. This crane is good at lifting. It helps people to lift things off the truck. Wow! Machines are good at moving things. Lifting and moving heavy blocks. This garbage truck is good at lifting this heavy bin full of rubbish. Crushing all the rubbish. Look! It's an excavator truck.
Where's the scoop?
Wow! We got to have a look at this excavator truck. We're dressed like BLiPPi today. That's where you put the petrol. We got to have a turn climbing on and pretending to drive the excavator.
Ready, start the engine.
Brum brum. Brum brum. It has a seatbelt. Click. Brum brum.
The beetle. Everything.
The excavator driver shows us how to work the excavator truck. Wow! Look at this. big mulching truck. And a chainsaw. Using the chainsaw to cut down this big tree. This mulching machine chops up all the big branches. It's making wood chips. Wow! Look at this tall crane. This crane's helping to build a new playground. Have you ever seen a real crane?
Don't you put the old gear down here with the sands very hard on them.
This is a big excavator truck, and this driver is going to show us how he drives the excavator truck.
That easy?
That easy.
Now what do the buttons do, the controls?
Well, first of all, you've got to have this one up. Nothing will work until that's down. So you put that down, and then these are, that's up. That's slewed around. That's slewed the other way. That tucks it under. That moves the bucket up now, see?
Wow!
Yeah, this one here, you move it that way, it'll go that way. Slew, turn around. Move it that way, it'll turn that way. If you pull it back, it'll tuck that far dipper arm above the bucket and tuck it under. This one lifts it up. Okay? Or down. These ones here will make it move forward, see?
Very good, thank you.
That's alright.
This is a hedge trimmer. We're watching Hopper trim the hedges. He's wearing his safety ear protection and safety glasses.
Hands like me.
You got some chippies. You got some Hopper.
Look, it's a tractor. This tractor's pulling a boat out of the water and onto the beach. Wow! This is a John Deere tractor. It's pulling an aerator excavator for the lawn. Look at this tractor. We found this tractor at a strawberry farm. This tractor helps the farmers grow the strawberries. We had a turn trying to find some strawberries. Look how many strawberries we found. Wow! Do you like strawberries? Check out this huge strawberry we found at the strawberry farm. Yum! These machines help the farmers get the strawberries ready to go to the shop. Look at all these strawberries ready to go to the supermarket. Wow! Hey kids, if you like watching Min Playtime, ask a grown-up to help you subscribe.
Where?
It's a food and life truck.
Let's go play. Min Playtime!
It's a garbage truck.
Let's go play, it's Min Playtime.